Hi guys, one question I keep getting is about my magnetic handsaw fence. So I thought I'd talk about that a little bit today. It's literally just a 90-degree angle that I've done out of premium pine. I've got 3 magnets that are recessed underneath a thin veneer of pine that I've glued over it. I keep it beeswaxed so the saw glides nicely across it. I also use a nice Japanese flush cut saw which magnetizes slightly but still slides on the fence. So if you want to make a nice 90-degree cut, that's really the best way to do it. So on our piece here you line it up with the saw marks that we've created. A nice sharp saw will cut through this just as fast as any electric system. So some people prefer the traditional way of doing things, or they'll be working in an area where there is no electricity, or they've just gotten proficient like myself at using non-powered tools. And so with this system here, you can create nice quality cuts quickly without the use of any kind of power tools. If you'd like instructions on how to build this, or you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up. I'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.